Good morning, everyone. In today's video, I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas and I'm going to do an open cup pour. So I have two little paper cups and all you do for the open cup is just cut the top off and there's your open cup. I like to do 2 or 3. I also have done up to 4, but this is a slightly smaller canvas, so I'm just going to do 2. And then you can actually save the bottoms and actually mix up a small amount of paint or pour from them if you're just doing some small pours. And then I just have my sponge brush so that I can smooth out my base coat of paint. For my colors, I have purple, turquoise, gold, and black, and I'm going to be using the black for my base coat. I have each of my colors mixed with floetrol and water, and I have a really nice smooth consistency. If you want to see how I mix my paints for something like this, you can actually check out my video number 633, which was how to do a Dutch pour. And I mix my paints very similarly for this that I do for that Dutch pour. So about 2 or 3 parts floetrol to 1 part paint, and then slowly incorporate water until it's the consistency that you want for pouring. I'm just gonna do a nice coat of the black paint first before adding my, putting my cups down. And I just try and get some paint over the edges so that I have good coverage on those. And then I like having my base coat down. It helps the cups move and also the rest of the paint move better when you start tilting out your design with this technique. I'm sure I have spots over here. I will double check those once I'm all done. Okay, so now you can, if you're just doing 1 cup, you could always put it in the middle. When I do 2 cups, I like to kind of put them on the corners and then kind of move them around before I tilt out my design. So from here, you can do any order of color that you want. I add a little bit more black around the base and it kind of creates a seal between the cup and your canvas. And then once you start pouring your colors in the cup, the colors move out underneath and then you get some really amazing cells as they move out underneath the black and start coming up underneath that. So you can use any colors that you want for your base coat. I normally stick with white or black. But I may try some others just to see what kind of really nice cells and designs I can create. So now I'm just going to start pouring my colors in my cups. And you can see that one just started moving. So they are going to start moving a little bit. And the more paint you put in, the more they're gonna start moving across your canvas. And right there, you can already see cells are starting to pop up as that paint moves underneath the black. I'm just gonna gently move my cups a little bit. Once I'm done pouring my paint, I'll also move my cups around the canvas a little bit just to spread that paint out. And you can see here, I'm getting a lot of really nice cells. I'm also getting a lot of really nice cells on this side. And I don't have that much purple left, so I think I'm just gonna use that up. And then with my leftover turquoise and gold, I can always do another small piece. So I'm just going to gently move my cup around my surface. I have plenty of paint on there that I'll be able to tilt out. And I think that gold was making some really nice cells, but I see a lot more in here with those other colors. So just using the floetrol for me gets some really nice cells. I know a lot of people also like to add in silicone, and it's just my preference not to use it. So now I'm just going to tilt out my colors. These are really, really pretty colors, and keep those nice cells. Do have some of that black space on there. I actually want to stop, tilt just a little bit more. And tilt back a little bit. Those colors look really nice. So I obviously tilted off a lot of black on this side, but I have some really beautiful cells all throughout this entire piece. And so I'm gonna keep my negative space a little bit right in there. I do like the way that that looks. And we'll just let this dry. Hopefully it dries well. No, I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna tilt off any more paint. But I hope you guys like this video. I really like doing the open cup pours, and I haven't done one in quite a while. Let me know what other colors you'd like to see, especially if you want me to do some different base colors. I think purples, blues, reds, anything like that would be really beautiful to create some really awesome cells. But I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do put out 3 videos a week, and thank you all for watching today.